Hey boys, Cheech and Diesel here. So, just want to give you guys an update on my bike. We got a Maverick belt, and I took the baffles out of my exhaust, the stock exhaust that comes on the 850 CanAm, and it works fucking awesome, boys. Honestly, like, I put that Maverick belt in and it's so easy to wheelie now. I don't know if it's the harder rubber in the belt or I'm not sure. I'm not a fucking genius, but it works great right now. And took the baffles out. My bike, I don't notice no less power. I feel like I notice more power. I don't want to say I do, but I think I do. And we're out here for a little tour. I'm not going too hard because I'm saving the bike for a ride tomorrow. But we're gonna get you a couple of clips here and show you what's up. But overall happy. Not happy with putting my plastics back on. That is a pain in the ass. Besides that, she's working mint, boys. Check it out. So boys, people have been asking how I fit these 30s on my stock CanAm, if they rub or not. And I'm going to answer a few questions. This is my 850 CanAm 2020 XT. And no, it did not come with these tires. I bought these tires after. Do they rub? Yes, they rub when I first put them on, and they still do. Yes, I trimmed my plastics, and it looks good. So can you fit 30s? Why not? I think you can. So, oh yeah, it's a deep old hole. So, I'll take you around to the bright side over here, show you what I did. So, plastics used to come down more on an angle and come down like that. I took painting tape and I taped the strip down there and I followed it with angle grinder. And did the same thing back here, which I'm going to do to the bottom. I'm going to trough the bottom across. I'm just too lazy right now, to be honest. And when I hit big bumps, the tires hit right there where they connect with the wheel flares or wheel wells, whatever you want to call them. So that's what I did, and works great. Clutch, everything's stock, and she pulls wheelies pretty good, boys, and I like it. you have a good night. See you around. Stay tuned for some good videos. And have a cool beer. See you later.